We turn now to an ongoing legal battle between a drug manufacturer and the state of West Virginia over the state's abortion ban. GenBioPro manufactures mifepristone, a drug that can medically end a pregnancy. It is referred to as an abortion drug. The company argues in its lawsuit that West Virginia's law interferes with the powers of the FDA, making the law unconstitutional.
What we know is that in West Virginia, you have people that need access to essential health care and to mifepristone, and they're unable to access this care because of the law that the state is maintaining. What the state is doing presents really significant concerns for our overall democracy. If states can step in the shoes of FDA, where Congress has specifically, with respect to mifepristone, it's part of a very specific category of medications where Congress has specifically made clear the regulatory regime with which it should be subjected to, and West Virginia's law conflicts with that.
West Virginia has a stringent ban on abortion except for extremely limited exceptions in the case of rape or incest. That ban applies to abortion medication. The company's lawsuit was initially dismissed in August. However, the company did get a win in that case. The judge agreed that West Virginia's ban on the use of telemedicine for medication abortions was in violation of the federal law. GenBioPro appealed the overall ruling, and the case is now in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit. Attorney General Patrick Morrisey provided a statement on this lawsuit, saying that in his view, West Virginia's law is constitutional. The statement reads, quote, "The new Unborn Child Protection Act is not preempted by federal law, and all of the statutes are constitutional. That is our position, and the judge agreed with us. We stand ready to continue defending West Virginia law to the fullest." According to Perriman, however, the West Virginia law runs afoul of the Constitution, specifically a piece of the Constitution that deals with the relationship between federal law and state law.
Congress has appointed one agency to have authority over food and drug products in this country, and that's the FDA. But it's even more simple, because with respect to mifepristone, which is in a specific category of medications, Congress has been quite clear about the specific regulatory structure that it should be subjected to. In West Virginia, the law conflicts with that structure, and so we are seeking to have it enjoined under the Supremacy Clause of the U.S. Constitution.
The Supremacy Clause of the Constitution establishes that the Constitution and federal law override state law and state constitutions. That is the basis for GenBioPro's argument. Because Congress has given the FDA regulatory oversight, West Virginia's law conflicts with federal law, making the law unconstitutional. Now we are continuing to follow this story carefully, and we will keep you updated as we learn more.